Hey there, welcome to VCode's 100 Days of Coding Challenge. Today is day 12 and let's see the question number 2. So today we are going to deal again with the interfaces and it's really simple question. So implement a Java program that defines a complex interface with multiple methods. Create a class that implements this interface and showcases the implementation of all the methods. So what we have here is, we have an interface which will have multiple methods without their implementation. That is the point to be remembered. And then we need to create a class which will have all the implementations of these interface methods. And then we need to showcase all the implementations of these methods. So description is given, write a Java program with an interface containing at least 3 methods. Implement the interface in a class, providing detailed functionality for each method. So the input format is given. The program does not take any input. And the output is, we need to print relevant details to showcase the successful implementation of all the interface methods. So it should have at least 3 methods. That is the constraint given. And this is the output format. So it is really simple question. So let's quickly do it. So I'll create here day12.java. So this is the class. And now it will have a main method. So now it's time for us to create an interface. I will name it as my interface. And let me write it as, let me write the method names as method 1, method 2, and method 3, and without its implementation. So what this interface does is, it helps us in abstraction. So what is abstraction? Abstraction is a process in Java where it's not a process, it's actually a property where we can hide the implementation details from the user, so which are unnecessary to the user. So here I have written method 1, method 2, method 3. So this interface says that there are few methods, but we don't know what it does. So those will be implemented inside the class. So I will name it as my class, which implements what is that interface name? It's my interface. This my class will be having all the implementations for the my interface methods. So now I will write void method 1 and I will print. So how do we print it? S out and tab. So I will write method 1 implemented successfully. And then so I can write it as public. So I will copy this because it's the same for another methods also. So method 2 and here method 3 and here also I'll modify this. Done. So now I'll create objects for this my class. So OB, so one object is enough. And now using this object I'm going to call the method 1, ob.method 2 and ob.method. So what is the method? Another method is method 3. Okay, so now I'll run the file. So firstly compile it. So java c day12.java and java day12. So you can see method 1 implemented successfully, 2 implemented successfully, and 3 also, which we had written the implementations inside the class which implements the interface. So this is how the interface works and how we can implement it inside a class. So that's it for this video. Do follow the 100 Days of Coding Challenge by VCode. Thank you for watching.